When someone stops paying spousal support, it's not just a broken promise, it can turn your life upside down. But what actually happens legally when spousal support payments disappear? Let me break it down. First, if you're missing payments, don't wait. Courts expect you to act fast. The first step is often filing a motion for contempt. Basically, you're asking the court to recognize that your ex isn't following the support order. This isn't just paperwork. Courts take these filings seriously, and they'll usually schedule a hearing pretty quickly. Now, at that hearing, your ex has to explain themselves. Did they just ignore their obligation? Or are there legit reasons like job loss or illness? Judges don't just rubber stamp punishments, they actually look at both sides. But here's the thing. If your ex can pay and just refuses, courts can get tough. What can the judge do? Well, there's a list. Wage garnishment, which means payments come straight out of their paycheck. There's also the possibility of seizing bank accounts, intercepting tax refunds, and even suspending driver's licenses. In the most serious cases, repeated refusal can land someone in jail, but that's usually a last resort. But remember, you can't just stop following your end of the agreement, even if your ex does. Courts expect you to keep things above board, and taking matters into your own hands can backfire. Always keep records, missed payments, communication, everything. Judges love documentation. At Daniel Obeide Law, we assist clients with spousal support enforcement matters by combining focused legal strategy with a clear understanding of court expectations. Schedule a free consultation today. Let us help you understand your options and take decisive, legally sound steps toward resolution. Visit www.expertsinfamilylaw.com.